Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today I'm going to be looking at the CVLIFE WildHawk X Series Solar Green Dot Sight. Alright, so the CVLIFE WildHawk X Series is going to have solar and battery dual power. It also comes with multiple reticles, so you can get the green or the red dot. It does have the motion awake technology. It has really low profile design, 3500G shock proof, so it holds your 0, 70, 75T 6 housing material, 10 different brightness settings, and this is what I really like, the side battery compartment versus it being underneath. You have to remove the optic, and it is IPX7 waterproof. And here are all the other specifications. So you have the 2 MOA, 40 MOA, and here's all the size. And it does come with the adapter plates for RMR and MOS, also the Picatinny, so you have a lot of options right off the gate. Let's take a look inside. So here's the user's manual. I would recommend going through this, through the catalog, specifications. We'll go through all of this in depth shortly. You get a lot in the package, so all of your hardware, your screws, your batteries, plates, you name it. And also shows you how to install, which I'll show a demo. Very easy to do. Here's using on your different plates, and you can use it on your Picatinny rail, so for your rifles, PCCs, shotguns. And here are the different reticles. So you have the red circle dot, and red circle, or the green version, which we have here. Also how to zero the optic. It is recommended to zero at 25 yards. So you get your windage elevation, all your maintenance and care, troubleshooting, warranty, and your batteries. And it does come with a lens cloth. Just wipe down after each range visit. So here is the optic. I like when they include these covers, so when you're not using it, obviously you can put this on top. We'll look at that in a second. And here's all of these screws. So you have a plethora of screws, and they all come with the blue Loctite to avoid the screws coming off. And you also have your batteries. More batteries. I like when they come with multiple batteries as a backup. And here's some Allen keys. And here's the RMR adapter plate. And also the Glock MOS plate. And the Picatinny rail plate. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the WildHawk Solar Green Dot Sight. As I mentioned before, it does have dual power with the solar panel right up top, and then also the battery. So when you're outside using this range, it's going to draw the power from the solar instead of using it from the battery. So it's going to preserve the overall battery life. Here on the left side, it's going to be the plus and minus buttons. So that's going to, one, be your brightness settings, but also change the reticles. And you're going to have your windage and elevation adjustments here. And the battery compartment is going to be on the side, which I actually really prefer. You can easily install a new battery without having to take off your optic. So right here it gives you the instructions to use the negative side up. I'm going to use one of the provided batteries here. Pre-test that. You can already see it there. You can also use the same tool for the battery installation for the windage and elevation. So you would just that in here. And it does have audible clicks. Alright guys, and here is the reticle with the circle. If you want to switch it to the other reticle options, you just hold the plus button here. And there it has the circle with the dot. You hold it one more time. There you'll just see the dot. Okay, there's just the green dot. There's the circle. And then the circle with the dot. Alright guys, let's go over the optic installation demonstration here. So it's actually really easy. It is RMSC footprint just by itself. So it can direct mount on any RMSC cut, like this Rock Island M1911A2 has. You can see that the little pegs there line up. It's already sturdy. So you want to go ahead and mount that. But before, obviously, always want to make sure that your firearm is clear. Nothing, no magazine, nothing in the chamber, so we're good. Then let's go ahead, put that there. And I found that the screws for this pistol hold the M3, the L11. So I'm going to go ahead and use those. Like that they include a spare. So just in case. Again, these do have the blue Loctite on them already, so you don't need to worry about that. You can always put some if you want. Obviously, it's just your choice. So I'm just going to line that up there, drop in the screws. Use the other key here. I got a little crooked. There we go. I like to start with the longer end first, just to get it snug. And then once you're good on that, let's give it a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten them, just want it snug. You can see there's no wiggle or play. And there it is. It's really nice on this pistol. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE WildHawk X series solar green dot sight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one.